Hello parents, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I am Archana from Miracles Playhouse, Pratap Vihar. And today I am here to talk about our OCP, Online Classroom Program. But before that, I would like to ask, like, we run a play school, we are from a play school, and as parents, you all must be thinking that what is the need of this online class program? Is it really important for our kids to go for these online classes? Because I spoke to many parents and they all have their own views, and today I am here to explain why it is important. Is it really important? Do we have really a need of online classroom program for our toddlers, for our preschoolers? Yeah. So the parents who are already associated with our play group, they know that what kind of curriculum we follow and what kind of content we provide to our kids. We have already taken 2-month classes, April and May, and we were working on our online classroom program. But before that, we did lots and lots of research about that. See, when we talk about preschoolers, what we give them in school, we give them that atmosphere, that nurturing, that caring. That is the most important thing. And I know that as parents, you all will agree with that. That we do not want that. We are not expecting a scholar coming out of a preschool. We just want our kids to go there, enjoy, learn to share, learn to talk, learn to do all these things. Many parents come to me and they just say that, ma'am, we do not want to pressurize our kid for reading and writing, doing all this stuff. We just want them to get that atmosphere where they are interacting with other kids. And that is what is the motto of Miracles Playhouse. In our school also, we do not pressurize our kids because we believe that each and every kid is different. They have their own speed and they learn with their own pace. But right now, in this current situation, there is no school. And even if in future the schools will reopen, are we mentally prepared to send them back to school in this pandemic? So we do not have any idea about that. And because of this thing only, we just thought that why not to work on this thing, that what we are going to do by the time our kids are at home. See, as parents, we are trying our best. We are involved in many activities. We are sitting with them. We are teaching them, different alphabets. We are singing rhymes with them. We are reading with them. But is all this sufficient? Yes, it is. They need your time. See, we always said that a home is the first school and parents are the first teacher. You are the best teacher because you are the one who taught them their first word, who taught them how to walk, who taught them how to eat. Yeah. So you are the best teacher and you understand your child the best way. Then what is the need of online classroom program? The need of online classroom program is that nowadays our kids are at home. We are doing many activities, but they are already they were already into that routine where they were going to school, they were doing different activities with their teachers, with their friends, circle time, rhyme time, all the things. The preschoolers who are already enrolled in school and the kids who are ready to get enrolled, they need a schedule, they need a timetable, right? That what to do, when to do, how to do. And as parents, we also need that support. You know that there are lots and lots of videos available on YouTube. So many things, so many activities are there on Google. We can search and we can do it. But if there is a proper schedule, a proper procedure, as parents we know that okay, today Monday, these are the things I have to do. These are the videos I have to show. Then things are sorted. Because most of us are working from home. We have our own workload, our own deadline. Many of us are already started going back to offices. So how much time are we going to give to our kids? They are not going to get exposed to parks or usual play routine very soon. Yeah, we can take them out, but with that mask, with the sanitizer thing, we are already worried that if you are taking them out, is it safe? So the need of the online classroom program is that, and today in this video, I am going to talk about that thing. Okay, so this is our Miracles online classroom program, our OCP, and in this we have taken that initiative, and before that we spoke to many kids. There are many kids who are going to other international schools. They are having their online classes, and spoke to parents what are their views about these classes, and we plan the activities in that way. So we have basic 4 pillars: interaction, engagement, inclusion and assessment. So I'll talk about all the pillars one by one. Interaction, teacher and kid. Like our kids were already into that mode where they used to interact with their teachers. Even at home, they are getting bored. They're seeing their parents, their siblings, that's it. So this interaction is very much important. But many of the schools are taking online classes for 2.5 or 3 hours for these preschoolers. We just in Miracles, we do not feel that need, because a preschooler, a 2 to 5 or 6 year old child cannot sit at one place near the system for 3 hours and to be engaged in different activities. Yes, each child is different. So some of them might find it interesting, but others, I know, I've spoken to many of the parents. After 15 or 20 minutes, they lose their interest. They start rolling on the floor. They want their toys, and it's only parents who have to sit and see all the activities, what all things are done, and they have to perform. So in interaction, teacher-kids interaction, what we plan, that we want this thing to happen. So 40 minutes in a day, alternate day, Monday, then Wednesday, and then Friday, something like that. We'll choose 3 days where teacher will come and teacher will do activities which can engage our kids. Okay, there will be rhyme, circle time, recitation time, simple quiz, yeah, some games, some paper cutting, some activities like that. Our teachers will plan, and there will be teacher-kid interaction. The kid will be really curious to do these things, and because the time is limited, so parents also know that they are giving a limited time, screen time to their kids. For 30 to 40 minutes, kid has to sit, and if they are interested, they can attend that online class, because we will be sharing the videos too. So if in case one day your child is not in a mood, is not willing to sit in front of system and want to do the activity, there will be video, and you can show that video and you can perform the activity with the kid. But this interaction is really important, where the teacher is coming. They can recognize their teacher. Teacher can ask questions. How are you? What are you all doing? So what else you did? Which is your favorite toy? Questions like that. And kids really enjoy, because when some other person is talking to them, they are getting exposure of outside environment, and on that web link there are other kids who are answering. It gives that atmosphere to the kid. But it will only be for 30 to 40 minutes for 3 days in a week, which is more than sufficient for a toddler, for a preschooler, not more than that. Because there is this concern that with online classes, with so much of screen exposure, is it good for my child? And we did our research, and we just felt that 40 minutes alternate day or 3 days in a week is more than sufficient. So this is our first pillar, interaction, where teacher will be talking to kids regarding the content, regarding the concept, anything which they used to do in school, morning time, rhyme time, circle time, bath song, brush song, all the things that will be done. So next is engagement, where teaching aids and kids. Teacher will be planning the content which is related to their books. They'll be preparing videos and they'll be sharing it with you. Whenever your child is ready, you can show that video. Okay, suppose I'll take example of nursery class. They have to learn writing alphabet A. So in the video only teacher will teach. Make one slanting line, other slanting line, and the sleeping line, and this is A. And whenever parent and the child is ready to do the activity, they can see the video, and that video is hardly of 1.5 to 2 minutes. Okay, so they just have to see a 2-minute video to grasp the content, and they can do it. So this is about teaching aids and kids, and there will be so many activities, content related activities will be done by the teachers, and parents can help their kid to do it at home. Then the next one is parent-kid inclusion. Like I said, you are the first teacher of your kid, and during this online program, your inclusion is the most important thing. Because as teachers, we are planning the curriculum, we are planning the content, we are planning the videos, we are talking to your kids. But at the end of the day, even when they were coming back to school, they were spending only 3.5 hours in school. Rest of the time they were at home, and you were the one who were teaching them everything, most of the things, yeah? So this is the role which parents will play. Inclusion means you have to get included and include your child in activities. Suppose we ask them, like last week we did that Play-Doh activity, the dough activity. So their kids need their parents' support. They have to provide that dough, and then they can do simple motor skill activities. So that is the role of the parent in inclusion. And then the last one is assessment. Many of my parents called me that, ma'am, how the assessment will be done, how the report card will be done. Like you all know, we do not believe in grading, giving A plus, B plus to these small kids. They all are learning really good with their own pace. So assessment is between teacher, parents and kid. We will be giving you a matrix where you will be assessing your kids. Suppose in KG class, we already taught them A sound word, E sound word, and then there will be pointers that at what level your child is. You will assess it that okay, my child can read but is not able to read all the words related to A sound, and then we will make separate videos and we will do the things which is required to do the learning in more effective way with your kid. Okay, so these are the 4 pillars: interaction, engagement, inclusion and assessment, which I already explained you. I'll be sharing this PPT, and these things are explained in a much clearer way in this PPT, that in engagement, video presentation and documents will be shared with you. In interaction, live online classes and video calls will be there. In inclusion, you have to participate actively with your kid, and motor skill interaction through activities will be done. And in assessment, there will be review metrics, regular observation of the kid. If we will find that any of the kid is lacking behind, we will definitely give a personal call and will speak to you that where you need the support. So this is our structure: live classroom, audio visual classroom and activity classroom. Online classes, 3 classes a week. Live classes, Google Meet, 40-minute session. That on Monday, all the kids, the school will participate in that meet. There will be prayer, there will be yoga, there will be physical activity, there will be singing, there will be dancing, all the things on Monday. Then 2 days in a week, it will be classes related to their content. We will already share the videos and content with you through concept videos, story presentation and worksheet. And in those 2 classrooms, we will be talking about these. Okay, that how much the kid has understand and what they have learned, and parents can talk about that too. Then activity classroom, there will be motor skill activities, concept review, awareness building, and we will be training parents for this. We will be talking to our parents through videos and things about this, that what is this activity classroom all about. Because all these, when your child is attending the live classroom, you have to be there. You have to sit there. You cannot expect a toddler to be engaged in live classroom on his or her own. So you have to get involved. So parents are very much involved in this structure, and that is also important. That is also the reason why we kept our classroom very short, live classroom, 40-minute classroom, so that a parent can take out that much time. And also, if in case you cannot, the videos will be shared with you. You can anytime see it and get the idea that what is already done in the class, and you can help your child in learning that. Such kind of planner will be shared with you. Live classroom on Monday, live assembly, concept video, concept worksheet, which class, what subject. This plan will be making, and it will be shared with you on monthly basis, that which month what we are going to do, when will be the live class. Like Tuesday live class, individual classes for all the classes, 40 minutes only. For pre-nursery, nursery, KG, UKG, there will be individual 40-minute classes where there will be teacher. I might be there. There will be teachers and the assistants will be there to help your kid out with the content. And the subjects which will be talking in English, Math, Hindi and GK. Rest motor skill, poem of the month, rhymes of the month, story of the month will be shared with the help of videos. Okay, then we are adapting with the new normal. Are you? Because this is, we as a parent, we have to understand this is the new normal, and we have to understand the importance of this thing. We all can say, okay, ABCD सिखाना है, we can teach it at home. एक साल बच्चा स्कूल नहीं जाएगा तो क्या होगा? They do not have to go to school. But this 40-minute time, these videos, this interaction is really important for them, where they are getting a support from external individual, their teachers. They are having a proper timetable. They know that okay, Monday, Tuesday, Friday I have to sit, or Thursday I have to sit for 40 minutes. My teacher will ask me these questions. It gives them a different routine, which is really, really important for them. So this 1 year or 6 months or 4 months, I don't know for how long this program is going to last. when the school will reopen, but this is important. So please enroll your child for live classes. Please enroll your child in preschool, because it is important for you, for your kid. You will be getting a proper schedule. So as parent, you will also get an idea that what I have to do with my child this full day, and we are there to support you always. We are taking new admissions also. Many of the kids are enrolled with us during this pandemic, and we are really thankful to the parents for showing their belief during this time. And it is a time of online classes. Just give us a chance. Also, if you want to know more about us, you can always visit our Facebook page, Miracles Playhouse, our website, and our YouTube page. Okay, thank you.